I've been testing the Roidmi F8 for the past few days, and I'll share in this video the results of those tests. The F8 is the first product of Roidmi and was initially funded through a Kickstarter campaign. It aims to challenge the Dyson with its futuristic design, along with a generous set of attachments that give it a lot of versatility. If you look at Amazon, there are two options, the Deluxe and the Economy set. The Deluxe set comes with all of the attachments, while the Economy set excludes the flexible hose and the carbon fiber brush. Links to these options and product review are listed below, and let's get started. Before I dive into the test results, let's go over the attachments that you'll get out of the box, and there are a lot. Unlike the V10 that comes with two separate attachments for cleaning different surfaces, the F8 has two interchangeable brushes. The soft roller attachment is great for hard surfaces, while the carbon fiber brush is an excellent tool for cleaning carpet. Other attachments include the combination brush and crevice tool, flexible hose, mini turbo brush, and an extension wand. You also get an extra filter, a brush tool for cleaning different parts of the vacuum, and a magnetic dock for storage. Now let's look at the strong points of this vacuum. First off, it has lots of power. I measured the airflow to be at 23 CFM on the one at low, and 41 CFM on high. It isn't as powerful as the Dyson V10 that produces 20 CFM at low, 26 CFM at medium, and 56 CFM at the highest setting. Take note that there is a margin for error in these airflow tests, so take it with some grain of salt. The purpose of it is to give a point of comparison between different brands, since there isn't any standard that manufacturers use to measure suction. The airflow of the F8 allows it to clean surface dirt extremely well. In the tests I did, the F8 was able to handle small and medium-sized debris well. As I've mentioned earlier, it's got very decent airflow. Not as much as the Dyson V10, but good enough to pick up over 90% of embedded coffee on low-pile carpet. I haven't done a test on medium-pile carpet, but I'll do so in the future when I compare the F8 and the Dyson V10, so please stand by for that comparison. In the surface pickup tests, the F8 was able to pick up stuff like Quaker oats and coffee grounds without any issues at all. The F8 scored above 95% in most of the tests, which is very impressive. It did struggle a bit when cleaning coffee grounds on low-pile carpet at just 89%, but I left it at a default power setting. But overall, when it comes to cleaning surface dirt and deep cleaning at least low-pile carpet, it will do a very decent job. The beauty of the soft roller on bare floor is just you can leave it at the normal setting and it'll pick up most if not all of the surface dirt. This is a big deal because it helps extend runtime to its max. Roidmi claims that the F8 will run for up to 55 minutes, but the test I did revealed that it will be closer to the 50-minute mark, using suction-only tools. With the main cleaning head, that number goes down to 47 minutes and 26 seconds. On the highest power setting, it will run for up to 9 minutes and 50 seconds, which is almost twice as long as a Dyson V10 that ran for up to 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Another plus for the F8 is the LED lights that provide extra visibility on dimly lit areas. It's a bigger deal than you think. Now let's move on to the cons section. While the F8 did extremely well with small to medium-sized debris, it will struggle with large stuff like Cheerios. It's not a question of a lack of suction, but design. You can see in this clip that while the F8 was able to pick up most of the Cheerios, most of it dropped when I shook the cleaning head. The Roidmi F8 has enough suction and agitation to pick up large debris. The issue is the narrow pathway going to the dustbin. When I removed the dust cup, the suction port was clogged up, along with the wand and the opening going towards the bin. I'm not sure if it's a design flaw, but that's the downside of the F8's sleek design. Don't expect it to clean lots of Cheerios and not clog up. Another issue with the F8 is the design of the dust cup. To be more specific, how you empty it. There's a trap door at the bottom, but it lacks a release latch that opens it up automatically. You'll have to pull a latch to open it, and it can get messy. Filter on the other end is removable, just in case dirt gets stuck on the shroud. Again, emptying this will be messy, and you'll have to have a big trash bin to catch all of the dirt. The looping handle gives the user a lot of grip options, but I feel that the position of the handle puts too much pressure on the wrist if you use it above floors. Lastly, the F8 needs a dock to store vertically, as it cannot stand on its own. It's either you use a dock or store it laying down, which takes up more space. When you look at the overall package, the Roidmi F8 brings a lot of value to the table. It's got a great set of tools that you can use to clean different parts of the home with efficiency.
The airflow numbers don't match that of a Dyson V10, but it's very good at what it does, plus it's a whole lot cheaper. I'll leave a link to the full review at the description. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get the latest updates. Thanks again for watching.